If you have been struggling to write a befitting YouTube video description for your YouTube video, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to write a perfect description for your YouTube video using AI tools, all for free, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you love content like this, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post a YouTube content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to write a YouTube video description with AI for free. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to add a professional YouTube video description for free using AI tools. So the first thing you want to do after you have successfully upload your YouTube video, just like what you see on the screen right here, the next thing you want to do is to write a very unique YouTube video description using our AI. So first things first, this is the topic right here. So you have to highlight the topic and make sure you copy the topic. Then the next thing you want to do, I'm going to use another browser. So I'm going to head over to a website called www.bing.com. Bing.com. So here we have, so this is Microsoft Bing that you can use to generate a YouTube video description, all this for free. So the next thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to chat right here. We click on chat. All right, from the chat category right here, we can make sure we leave it in the creative, more creative right here. Then we have to come to the chat section right here. We have to ask the AI some question. So the question is going to be, can you please write a YouTube video description, okay, for title. Then we now press Ctrl V to paste the title right here, and we make sure we give inverted comma from the beginning of the title and the end of the title, just like what I did right here. So the capacity we can generate from here is 4,000 words. So next thing we want to do is to click on submit. Alright, so it's as simple as that. So you can see it has fully generated all our video description. Now, if we want to copy this description, what we want to do is to make sure we click on here to copy all the entire description. And mind you, you need to read all the description right here and be sure that all the spellings are correct. So we have to head over to my YouTube right here. I'll come here and I'll press Ctrl V to paste the description right here. So right here, so I can easily read all the description right here and correct some information that need to be correct, maybe spellings and all that. So like this one right here, so domiciliary. So this is what I'm trying to, this is AI generated type, so there should be some things we need to correct, something like of a domiciliary as a domiciliary account or a foreign account. So we can scroll down and read more information. So this is about 1,500 words. So the next thing we can do is that we can also generate hashtag for this particular title. So what we want to do is to go back to the Bing right here. We ask another question that, can you please generate a hashtag for the title. Then we submit. Alright, so the AI has fully generated the hashtag for the title. So we can scroll up and see all the relevant hashtag right here. So we have about 5 different hashtag right here. So we can simply copy, highlight all the hashtag right here. Then we press Ctrl Z to copy. Then we head over back to our YouTube studio right here, and I'll come here. I'll make sure I press enter, and I press Ctrl V to paste all the hashtag. So you can see, so we have successfully generated a professional video description for this particular title using AI for free and a generated hashtag for this particular title or so. So this is how to generate a YouTube video description for free using AI step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about AI topic like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.